we are at Porcupine Reservoir today, and we're going to be here with a bunch of my family, and we're going to be cliff jumping, paddle boarding, and camping later on. So we're going to be having a ton of fun, and should be a great day. We are headed across to the jumping spot. It's right over there. So there's kind of a ramp going on here, and you can kind of just keep going up the ramp further and further to get higher. So I'm not sure what the highest point is way over there, but it looks pretty high. All right, there's Haley way down there, and we're gonna jump. So let's do it. All right, hey, let's jump in. All right, we are done jumping for the day. We have a couple different tents set up for everybody, and we're making some dinner and fire started, and we've got bunches of snacks. Then tomorrow we're gonna go back and do some more cliff jumping, so it's gonna be really cool. All right, we got some Dorito chicken chili cooking here and taco soup over here. So it's gonna be some good dinner. That was awesome. It ended up being a little bit colder today, so we didn't do any more jumping, but we had tons of fun yesterday jumping, and the camping was great. If you want to find out more info about this spot, check out the description, and thanks for watching. Bye.